As filed, climb, maintain 4,000, initially 280 after 10. Departures with you, squawk 2443 or 7 Juliet Alpha.
7 Juliet Alpha, read back correct. United 1905, radar contact, say altitude.
United 1905 through 1.6.
United 1905, rad. Southwest 307, turn left, heading 270, runway 31 left, cleared for takeoff, wind 35016, guts 24.
Clear for takeoff, runway 31 left, turn left 270 after departure, Southwest 307.
United 1905, cleared Arc Willis, climb, maintain, flight level 360.
Correct, Willis, maintain 150 for United 1905.
United 1905, climb, maintain, flight level 360.
Climb, maintain 360 for United 1905.
Southwest 881, descend and maintain 2000.
Same, descend, maintain 2000, Southwest 881.
Southwest 881, I cut myself off, descend and maintain 2000, turn left, heading 360, vector final.
Descend, maintain 2000. Left 360. 31 left.
Southwest 881, just turn left, heading 360, and I'll bring you in for 31 left, just nothing right now. You're not cleared for any of it.
I got it.
United 2676, descend and maintain 4000.
4,000, 2676.
Southwest 4083, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, Southwest 4883.
Southwest 4235, echo current, runway 31 left, taxi via Zulu, Charlie, Mike, cross runway 22 at Charlie. At Charlie. Southwest 305, turn left, heading 270, wind 35016, gust 24, runway 31 left, cleared for takeoff.
Search because I'm getting back into my old
takeoff Southwest 305.
until later this year.
Southwest 307, radar contact.
More good stuff to come,
307,
though.
roger, climb,
Good stuff
maintain,
to come.
level 390,
Look
clear Arc
forward
Shoals,
to, though,
Victor
Mike.
Uniform Hotel.
Good, man.
Closure Axel,
Hey, man, I'm proud of you, though, man.
Runway maintain 390 for
Yeah,
Southwest
man.
307.
Hey, good accomplishment, Mike. Oh, man, you just open your portfolio up. Your portfolio
Unit
up.
1084, push
So much
on,
more.
correction, push into the alley for tail mode.
That's all good, dude.
Southwest 307, can we get that waypoint again?
That's 307, Victor Uniform Hotel.
Victor Uniform Hotel for Southwest 307.
November 607, Juliet Alpha, ready for a taxi instant.
Or 607 Juliet Alpha, say requested runway position on the airfield.
Near the terminal east side of the airport and runway 32.
7 Juliet Alpha, roger, runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 27, Stinson altimeter 30, I can't see it, 3047.
Runway 32 via Alpha, cross 27, and I do have the weather altimeter 3047. 7 Juliet Alpha.
Southwest 305, radar contact, say altitude. Southwest 881, turn left, heading 290, join runway 31 left, vocalizer.
Turn left, heading 290, join the runway 31 left, Southwest 881.
Southwest 4083, turn left, correct, turn right, heading 180, vector final.
Turn right, heading 180, vectors for the final, Southwest 4083.
Southwest 305,
And Southwest
radar
305, I'm
contact.
trying to 4,000 for 5,000.
Southwest 305, roger, turn left, heading 230, climb, maintain, flight level 370.
Left 230, and what was the other part?
Southwest 305, climb and maintain, flight level 370.
Left 230, and climb maintain 7,000.
Not at all what I said. United 2670, United 2676, turn right, heading 210, vector final.
Heading 210 vector final, you're sorry.
Mike, I can't help but laugh,
2676.
Oh my
That was
goodness.
305. How do you hear me?
Oh my goodness. This gets really comical at times, man, I tell you.
There's my Union Southwest 881, 5 miles from Bobby, maintain 2000, cleared ILS, runway 31 left approach.
Maintain 2000.
Close up, Southwest 881, 31 left, clear to land, hobby altimeter 35, correction, hobby wind 350 at 16, gust 24.
Clear land 31 left, Southwest 880.
Southwest 4083, descend and maintain 3000.
3000 Southwest 4083.
That's 4083, turn right heading 280.
Right turn 280 Southwest 4083.
November 1979, runway 35 left, clear to land.
Clear land, 35 left, 99.
Commence off, correction, hooks wind 360 at 17, gust 29. Southwest 4083, 6 miles from Bunner, turn right heading 300, maintain 3000 till established on localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 31 left approach.
Right turn 300, maintain 3000 until established localizer. Clear ILS runway 31 left approach Southwest 4083.
Yeah, man. Sometimes, Mike, it
It
gets real funny sometimes, man.
Right after 350.
Listening to all this
He's
stuff,
on
man,
28
it's
heavy,
crazy.
Eastern Center radar contact, level 35. So that's 4083, amend heading, fly heading 290, cleared ILS, runway 31 left approach. Thanks for your patience.
Left turn 290 and Southwest 4083.
Southwest 305, climb and maintain, flight level 370, direct Shoals, Victor, Uniform Hotel.
Direct show and climb maintain 370. Southwest 305.
United 2676 heavy, turn right heading 240, join runway 26 left localizer.
Heading 240, join localizer 26 left here, sorry. United.
United 1084 standby. Southwest 4083, number 2 following a company, 2 mile final, wind 350 at 16, gust 24, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Number 2, 31 left to command Southwest 4083.
Southwest 4235, hold short range 31 left landing traffic.
November 607 Juliet Alpha, ready to go, runway 32 at Stinson.
Southwest 4235, change to 120.05, that's Houston.